The 2025 BMW 7 Series, now made in India at BMW's Chennai plant, redefines luxury with its futuristic interior design and cutting-edge technology. This locally assembled flagship sedan offers a premium cabin experience that rivals the best in the world. Let's take an exclusive look inside the India-made 7 Series and see what makes it stand out. 1. Ultra-luxurious cabin design. Step inside the new BMW 7 Series, and you're welcomed by a cabin that exudes elegance, comfort, and innovation. Premium materials. The interior features a mix of fine leather, wood trims, crystal accents, and ambient lighting, giving it a first-class feel. Executive lounge seating. The rear seats are designed for ultimate comfort, offering massaging, heating, ventilation, and a reclining function for a business-class experience. Panoramic sky lounge roof. The massive glass roof comes with LED patterns that create a stunning ambient light effect at night. 2. Advanced technology infotainment. The 2025 BMW 7 Series comes loaded with futuristic tech, making every ride an immersive experience. 14.9-inch curved touchscreen display, integrated with BMW iDrive 8.5, offering seamless control over navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. BMW Interaction Bar, a crystal-like illuminated panel stretching across the dashboard, responding to touch and voice commands. Rear seat entertainment. A 31.3-inch 8K theater screen. A massive 31.3-inch 8K touchscreen drops down from the roof, transforming the rear into a private cinema. Supports Amazon Fire TV, Netflix, and YouTube. Comes with the Bowers Wilkins Diamond surround sound system for an immersive audio experience. 5.5-inch touch screens on rear doors. Passengers get dedicated screens to control seat functions, climate, and entertainment. 3. Comfort convenience features. The India-made 2025 BMW 7 Series focuses on making every ride luxurious and effortless. Soft close doors gesture control, open and close doors with a simple touch or wave of your hand. Air perfume system, customizable fragrances fill the cabin for a soothing experience. 4-zone climate control, personalized temperature settings for every passenger. Wireless charging. Multiple USB-C ports, stay connected on the go with multiple charging options. 4. Safety driver assistance features. BMW ensures top-tier safety and driving assistance in the 7 Series. Level 2 ADAS, Advanced Driver Assistance Systems, includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and autonomous emergency braking. Parking Assistant Pro, fully automated parking with remote control. Night vision 3D surround view cameras, enhancing visibility in low light conditions. 5. Locally assembled, same global luxury. Despite being manufactured in BMW's Chennai plant, the India-made 7 Series maintains the same global luxury standards. By assembling it locally, BMW reduces costs for Indian buyers, ensures faster delivery and availability, strengthens after-sales service with better local support. The future of luxury is here. The 2025 BMW 7 Series, made in India, delivers an ultra-premium interior experience with its first-class seats, futuristic technology, and unmatched comfort. Whether you're driving or being chauffeured, this luxury sedan is built to impress. What's your favorite feature of the new 7 Series? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exclusive car content.